Hi, my name is Don, and I'm going to try to create a video tour of our home at 4023 Alcott. Here's the front, and I'm not much of a photographer or videographer, but I really have done a great job restoring this house, and I want to show it to you as best I can. So we're going to walk in to the foyer. It's a 1901 Victorian. You come in and see the antique fireplace directly. Here's the foyer stairs up to the 3 bedrooms. There's into the kitchen. So I'll start by walking us into the living room. There's 2 large windows, one in the living room, one in the dining room. Off of the living room is a sunroom. We used it as a music room. It's great for growing plants or whatever you like. There's all new paint, both walls in trim, and then there's natural molding, all brand new flooring, carpet and tiles, a couple of build-ins. Ceilings are 9 feet. This is the older part of the home, restored but pretty original. Now as we move into the kitchen, this is modernized, so it's both older and new. New appliances, exposed brick, custom marble floor with inlaid granite, mirroring the granite that's on the counters. It was 2 rooms, but we took out a wall to make it so that it's a very large kitchen. Some of these older homes really had pretty small rooms. Speaking of small rooms, though you don't need much of a big one here, off the kitchen is the laundry room. Washer, dryer, utility sink. Staircase down into man's cave, woman's cave, anybody's cave, little office. It's where the furnace and water heater are. Couple of windows. Smaller space here to the left. It's a door where there's a half freezer. I hope the video isn't making you dizzy. Again, I'm not really great at videos, but I hope this is helpful. Off of the mudroom is a bath, toilet, and sink, and then stand shower. Then again, off to the kitchen, because these homes often don't have large rooms, we built a 400 square foot addition, 16-foot cathedral ceilings, French doors leading out onto a custom flagstone patio. Here you have a gas fireplace, flanked by bookcases and leaded glass crystal windows. The marble here is carried throughout, so it's in the floor as you go out to the patio. Now it's also inlaid in the bay window leading out to the yard. Give you another view. The staircase going back into the kitchen. Those drawers underneath the staircase are for storage and are fully functional, very large. Additionally, there's cabinetry, either open or closed underneath. That is great for using for storage. Okay, so now that's pretty much the first floor. So we're gonna pass through the kitchen. Here's a storage closet. Head upstairs. Again, all new carpet here, all the molding and walls freshly painted. 3 bedrooms. Each of them have different ceilings, which is kind of cool. Each has its own character. So this ceiling is slanted and has a very large window and a large closet. So there's 1 bedroom. The middle bedroom is where the dormer is. So it creates two pitches and a little smaller window like that. But it's not small, but it's smaller than that large front picture window. And then a closet as well. Oops, that probably doesn't matter to show you that well. So, and here we go into the master bedroom. The original pine floor, two windows, two closets, a smaller one, and a walk-in closet and ceiling fan. And these ceilings are actually curved at the top. So again, each room has its own sort of character in the rooms. Now go into the bathroom. Newly laid tile floor, sink and toilet. And that's the mirror, so that's why it's looking like that. And see if I can get a picture here. There's the antique clawfoot tub and shower. Newly reglazed. And a window to see outside into the yard. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on pause. And I'm back outside, gonna pick up outside. There's looking toward the north. It's a double lot, so there's this whole extra yard here. That's where we built the addition. So I'm gonna just walk you around the yard. There's areas for gardening, vegetables or flowers. There's irrigation if you'd like to do that. Full sprinkler system, and all yard work is included in the rent. So if you do any gardening, it's because you like to do it. And if you just like to see it look nice and not have to lift the finger to make it look that way, this may be your place. So we're coming out onto custom random flagstone patio. There's those French doors that lead into that addition. Backyard here, fence. It's all fenced in. It's a large 660 square foot garage, so it's an oversized 2-car garage, fully insulated and heated should you want to use it for those sorts of purposes. I'll just walk through here so you can come out the back door and go into your car through the service door, or you can come off the street and come through this gate, and that'll take you to the back door, which is right there. So here we have view of the garage, same pitch gable as the house, basically the same style and patterning. And there we've gone around the house. So again, I'm not a videographer or a photographer, and this is a modest effort to wet your whistle, entice you, but I promise you if you come and look at it, it's going to look better than this video. And everything described in the posting is accurate, and there's more as well. Just simply had to limit it. So anyway, back to 40023 Alcott. Hope to meet you. My name again, Don. Thank you.